Okay, today's objective is to factor trinomials in the form x squared plus bx plus c. And the way we're going to do that is find two numbers that multiply to c and add up to b. So in our first example, x squared plus 7x plus 12, we need to find numbers that multiply to 12 and add up to 7. So numbers that multiply to 12 are 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. So the only pair that will add up to 7 in any way, shape, or form is 3 and 4. So the way we write our answer is x and x in parentheses, and then we put the 3 and 4, and it's plus 3 plus 4. The reason why this works is because we can check it using the distributive property that we did the other day in our lesson. X times x, x squared, x times 4, 4x, 3 times x, 3x, and 3 times 4 is 12. This 3x and 4x makes that 7x that's in the middle. So number 2, x squared plus 8x plus 15, we do the same thing, break down 15 into 1 and 15 and 3 and 5. So the 3 and 5 will give us 8. So it's x plus 3, x plus 5. And we can reverse the order, so you could have it as x plus 5, x plus 3. The order doesn't matter. Now the third example, we throw in some negatives, so that makes it a little bit more difficult. X squared minus 3x minus 18. We still find factors of 18. 1 and 18, 2 and 9, 3 and 6. So the only way to get a 3 is with this 3 and 6. To get a negative 3, we have to have positive 3 and negative 6. So our answer is x plus 3, x minus 6. So in number 4, x squared plus 4x minus 21. So 21's 1 and 21, 3 and 7. To get a positive 4 from 3 and 7, we have to have negative 3, positive 7. So x minus 3, x plus 7. And remember that you can always check these by doing distributive property like we did the other day. So problem number 5 is x squared minus 3x minus 54. The factors of 54 are 1 and 54, 2 and 27, 3 and 18, and 6 and 9. So the only way to get a 3 is with 6 and 9, but we need a negative 3, so that means positive 6, negative 9. So x plus 6, x minus 9. Problem 6. X squared minus 15x plus 50. So factors of 50 are 1 and 50, 2 and 25, and 5 and 10. Now this time we need to get a negative 15. The only way to get a negative 15 is with the 5 and the 10, and for both of them to be negative. Remember that when we multiply, two negatives make a positive, and two negatives when we add keep that negative. So x minus 5, x minus 10. Number 7, x squared plus x minus 72. 72 has a whole bunch of factors, so I'm going to list them all. 1 and 72, 2 and 36, 3 and 24, 4 and 18, 6 and 12, and 9 and 8. Now this middle term has no number, so that means it's a 1. So two numbers that multiply to negative 72 and add up to 1 have to be 9 and 8. For that 1 to be positive, it has to be positive 9, negative 8. So x plus 9, x minus 8. And your assignment for this lesson is a worksheet, so you'll have to get it out of the absent work folder if you were absent.